Hello everyone, sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, molweni, thobela, lochani. I hope you all good people out there. Welcome to 105 online channel. In this channel, we are bringing you celebrity news, entertainment news and gossip celebrity news.
Operation Dudula leader Nhlanhla Lux on Wednesday appeared at the Meadowlands Magistrates Court in connection with a 2019 case of assault. A tenant who was renting at his mother's home in Meadowlands laid a complaint against him with the Meadowlands SAPS in September 2019, said NPA spokesperson Findiam Jonandwain. Nhlanhla Lux, under his real name, had been charged with assault and released on his own recognizance, but had failed to return to court. Lux made his first appearance on September 9, 2019, was released on warning and the case was postponed to September 30, 2019, but Nhlanhla never returned and on the same day, a warrant was issued for his arrest, she said. The court on Wednesday held an inquiry into his failure to return to court. He was found guilty of this and sentenced to a caution and discharge. He must return to court for the criminal case of common assault on May 3. He was granted bail of R1000. Gauteng police spokesperson Mabla Masando earlier confirmed that the Dudula leader had handed himself over on Wednesday. A fortnight ago, he was released on R1500 bail by the Rudaport Magistrates Court after his arrest on charges of housebreaking with intent to steal and malicious damage to property. The case, relating to the movement's raid on a Soweto man's home after accusing him of drug dealing, was postponed to May 27 for further investigation.